Hi, my name's Carla Snyder, and today we're going to talk about how easy, fast, and delicious it is to make seafood for dinner. There's nothing faster, and today we're going to work on a little bit of a red curry shrimp. And to get started, we're going to start off with a little bit of vegetable oil and some of Heinen's Recipe Ready Stir Fry Mix. This is a wonderful way to get dinner started in a hurry. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper just to get things going. All it takes is maybe, 2 or 3 minutes. You just want these vegetables to begin to soften a little bit. And to the pan, we're going to add some shrimp, about 8 ounces, and about 8 ounces of scallops. And we just want to stir those in and get them cooking just a little bit before we go ahead and add our curry sauce. We want to just get these just slightly opaque. Now that the seafood is a little bit opaque and it's begun to cook, we're going to add the curry sauce. So you just want to stir the curry sauce in and give it a little bubble. We just are looking for everything to just finish cooking. So it's going to take maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Now that the vegetables are tender and the seafood is cooked, all you have to do is plate. We're going to serve this today with a little bit of rice, and we've just used a frozen rice that's already cooked. So all you have to do is just put a little bit of rice on your plate and some of this beautifully colorful curry on top. And then it's easy to make the flavor your own by just utilizing a little bit of honey lime sriracha. All it needs is a tiny bit of cilantro, and dinner is served.